If you are ready to turn your spare time into a potential passive income, this video is for you. We will dive into an intriguing yet simple method that could earn you $300 a day. The best part is that you don't need any degrees or qualifications, and this can be done from anywhere in the world. Welcome back to my channel, and let's get started. First thing, let's go to Google. Once you are there, simply type Google News into the search bar and hit enter. This will take you to Google News platform, a hub for local and international news. In the first step, let's select topics that pique your interest or are currently trending. These topics can range from technology, business, sports, entertainment, and many more. And for this demonstration, let's focus on skincare. Let's say we find an article on the importance of hydration in skincare routines, or a piece discussing the benefits of incorporating antioxidants into skincare routines. Once you find those articles, copy them so that you can post it somewhere else. The place where you are going to paste it is called Spinbot. Spinbot is a free tool for paraphrasing articles. It's a handy tool for avoiding plagiarism. Simply copy those articles and paste them here and hit the Spinbot button. This tool rephrases the content while retaining its essence, ensuring grammatical accuracy. Once you span them, review the article and personalize them if necessary. Remove any unnecessary ads or contents to polish them further. So now I'm going to give you a list of websites where you can post these articles and they will pay you for it. They will pay you somewhere from $100 to even $500 per article. So number one is .dash.com. Number two is pennyhoarder.com. This will pay you from $75 to $100 per article. The Traveling Writer will pay you from $50 to $200 per article. Wow Women on Writing pays from $50 to $100 per article. International Living pays from $75 to $400 per article. And lastly, A-List Apart will pay you from $200 to $300 per article. These are all the list of websites that will pay you to write an article for them, but all of these websites have different niches, so you need to know the kind of website that you are going into and the kind of niche that they want. That's all for now, and if you appreciate the insights shared in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.